Bamboo farming has gained attention for its potential as a sustainable and profitable agricultural venture. In this section, we explore the actual figures associated with annual income from bamboo cultivation. By examining real world data and farmer experiences, we aim to provide a clear picture of what you can realistically earn. Understanding these numbers will help you make informed decisions about investing in bamboo farming. Bamboo farming is rapidly becoming a preferred choice for modern farmers due to its remarkable growth rate and versatility. Unlike traditional crops, bamboo can be harvested in just a few years and regenerates without the need for replanting. Its ability to thrive on marginal land and minimal water makes it an environmentally friendly option. As sustainable agriculture trends emphasize reducing environmental impact and promoting renewable resources, bamboo stands out as a practical solution. This shift reflects a growing awareness of the need for resilient, eco-conscious farming practices. Starting a bamboo farm involves several key financial considerations. The initial investment typically includes expenses for land preparation, which may involve clearing, leveling, and enriching the soil to ensure optimal growth conditions. Purchasing quality bamboo seedlings is another significant cost, as the choice of species can impact both yield and profitability. Infrastructure costs, such as irrigation systems, fencing, and storage facilities, also play a crucial role in establishing a functional and efficient farm. Carefully planning these expenditures helps set the foundation for a successful bamboo cultivation venture. Ongoing maintenance expenses play a significant role in shaping your yearly budget. Costs associated with irrigation systems ensure that plants receive adequate water, while fertilizers are necessary to promote healthy growth and maximize yields. Labor expenses cover routine tasks such as planting, pruning, and harvesting, which require skilled workers throughout the year. Additionally, pest management measures are essential to protect crops from insects and diseases, often involving both preventative and responsive strategies. Together, these expenses must be carefully monitored and managed to maintain the overall health and productivity of your operation. Bamboo is known for its rapid growth, but the timeline from planting to the first harvest can vary depending on the species and environmental conditions. Typically, after planting, bamboo takes about 3 to 5 years to mature enough for its first significant harvest. During these initial years, the plants establish their root systems and begin producing new shoots. This period of growth means that income from bamboo cultivation may be limited at first, with substantial returns only becoming possible once the plants reach maturity. Understanding this timeline is crucial for accurate income projections and long-term planning. Bamboo yields per acre can vary significantly depending on the species selected and local growing conditions. Some fast-growing varieties, such as Moso or Guadua, may produce between 10 to 20 tons of harvestable bamboo per acre each year, while smaller species might yield less. Factors like soil quality, climate, and management practices also play important roles in determining overall output. Choosing the right species for your region can maximize harvest volume and ensure sustainable production. Understanding these differences helps growers plan for optimal yields and long-term success. To estimate gross revenue from bamboo, it is important to analyze current market prices for various products. Bamboo poles typically command a moderate price, depending on their size and quality, while fresh bamboo shoots often fetch higher rates due to their demand in culinary markets. Value-added products, such as furniture or handicrafts, can significantly increase revenue potential, as they are sold at premium prices. By combining these figures and considering local market conditions, you can develop a realistic projection of your gross earnings. This approach helps identify which product segments offer the greatest profitability for your bamboo business. To determine annual income, we begin by calculating total revenue based on realistic market rates for the product or service. Next, all associated costs are deducted, including materials, labor, overhead, and any other operational expenses. This step-by-step approach ensures that each financial element is accounted for, providing a clear picture of net profit. By using transparent figures and industry benchmarks, the final estimate reflects an accurate and reliable profit projection for the year. Bamboo farming has gained attention for its potential to generate steady income, especially when compared to traditional crops like rice, wheat, or corn. While initial investment in bamboo plantations may be higher, the plant's rapid growth and ability to be harvested annually without replanting contribute to sustained profitability. Unlike seasonal crops that require frequent sowing and harvesting, bamboo offers a recurring yield, often with less labor and input costs over time. Additionally, the growing demand for bamboo in construction, furniture, and eco-friendly products enhances its market value. This combination of low maintenance and diverse applications makes bamboo a competitive choice for farmers seeking long-term financial stability. Bamboo farming presents a unique set of risks and challenges that growers must carefully consider. Market fluctuations can significantly impact profitability, as demand and prices for bamboo products often vary. Additionally, climate factors such as unpredictable rainfall, extreme temperatures, and pests can affect crop yields and quality. Farmers need to stay informed and adapt their practices to manage these uncertainties. Understanding these realities is essential for anyone considering a venture into bamboo cultivation. Experienced bamboo farmers emphasize the importance of selecting the right bamboo species for your local climate and soil conditions to maximize yield. Regular maintenance, such as timely pruning and pest control, can significantly reduce operational costs. Efficient irrigation systems and organic fertilizers are also recommended to promote healthy growth. When it comes to selling bamboo, building relationships with local businesses and joining farmer cooperatives can help secure reliable buyers. Staying informed about market trends ensures you can adapt your strategies for the best possible returns. Bamboo growers have access to a variety of government schemes and subsidies designed to enhance their income potential. These programs often provide financial assistance for planting, maintenance, and harvesting, as well as support for infrastructure and training. By taking advantage of these resources, farmers can reduce their initial investment costs and improve productivity. Additionally, government initiatives may offer guidance on best practices and connect growers with markets, further increasing profitability. Understanding and utilizing these opportunities can significantly benefit those involved in bamboo cultivation. Bamboo offers a wide range of possibilities for diversifying income streams. Its versatility allows for the creation of furniture, which is both durable and aesthetically appealing. Handicrafts made from bamboo can cater to local markets and tourists, showcasing traditional skills and creativity. Additionally, bamboo can be used as a source of bioenergy, providing an environmentally friendly alternative to conventional fuels. By tapping into these varied applications, individuals and communities can enhance their economic resilience. Achieving long-term success in bamboo farming requires careful planning and strategic decision-making. Smart management involves selecting the right bamboo species, maintaining soil health, and implementing efficient irrigation systems. Regular monitoring of crop growth and pest control measures help ensure consistent yields. Understanding market trends and establishing reliable distribution channels are essential for maximizing profits. By combining effective farm management with targeted marketing strategies, farmers can build a sustainable and profitable bamboo business. The annual income from bamboo farming has been carefully calculated, providing a transparent overview of potential earnings. This information is crucial for aspiring agri-entrepreneurs who are considering bamboo as a viable crop. Understanding the financial outcomes helps in making informed decisions and planning for sustainable growth. With accurate income projections, individuals can assess the risks and rewards associated with bamboo cultivation. Ultimately, this honest evaluation serves as a valuable resource for those looking to enter the agricultural sector with confidence. SMART-AGRI Hub strives to deliver clear, data-driven perspectives on profitable farming practices. Our content is designed to help viewers make informed decisions in agriculture by providing transparent information and practical insights. By staying up to date with our latest videos, you can gain valuable knowledge to enhance your farming ventures. We appreciate your interest in advancing sustainable and profitable agriculture.